So now we're going to create recipes for our menu items with the various stock items that we have. So to do this, you click here on the left for menu items, and you can see we have our menu items. Click on hamburger, for example, and we can add a recipe by clicking on the right-hand side, the plus button. So we're just going to say standard burger. We have one bun. When you specify a recipe, it is always in serving unit of measure because this is how it is served. So each, in this case, which is individual buns. And patties, also one each. Now, the beer, since beer is just served as a bottle, we'll just say add item, bottles, one each. Create. Now you are not able to change recipes once they are created, but you can delete the recipe and create an entirely new recipe if you would like. But you just can't update an existing recipe. Finally, the margarita. It's sold at the main bar and the pool bar. Again, we're going to add a recipe. And typically, people only track the liquor rather than other items like the mixer, juice, and salt. So we're going to say it uses a bottle of tequila, 50 milliliters. Typical pour size for a cocktail. So now you have recipes for fractions of a bottle, in this case 50 mils of a 750 ml bottle for the margarita, food recipes where a hamburger has one patty and one bun, and a more retail style where you've got 1-to-1. One item means one bottle sold. Click on the next video to see how the inventory system works when you start adding stock of items and associating that stock with different stores.